first of all, let me tell you that what is the meaning of speech, or what are actually parts of speech. These are all 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. The next part of speech that we are going to discuss is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? In short words, you can say that conjunctions are linking words. Linking words. They join the words or they join the sentences. Conjunctions are those words that link the words or they join the words. You can also say them joining words. They join two words or they join 2 sentences. Like, if you are to write collectively, you will write a book and a bag. So the word and is joining the 2 words, a book and a bag. Let's take some other examples. I have a book. I have a book. I have a notebook. These are 2 sentences, and if you want to join them, you will write it like, the word and is conjunction here because it is joining the 2 sentences. I have a book, I have a notebook. इसको आपने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, एक सेंटेंस की फॉर्म में किस वर्ड के साथ ज्वाइन किया है? एंड के साथ. Simply you will add a single word and here and you will make it a single sentence. Okay? I was ill, I did not come. अब हम इसमें and use नहीं करेंगे. I was ill and I did not come. No, we will use some other conjunction. I was ill, मैं बीमार था. Now which conjunction we will add here? I was ill, मैं बीमार था. I did not come, मैं नहीं आया. मैं बीमार था इसलिए मैं नहीं आया. I was ill, so I did not come. The word so is conjunction here because it is joining the 2 words that I was ill, so I did not come. Okay? The word so is conjunction here as it is joining the 2 different sentences together. So these are 2 more sentences. She was happy. She got first position. She was happy. Now which conjunction we will add here? वो खुश थी. She got first position. क्योंकि वो अव्वल आई, उसने अव्वल पोजीशन हासिल की. She was happy because she got first position. So we will add this word here. क्योंकि उसने अव्वल पोजीशन हासिल की. So the word because is joining the 2 sentences, so it is a conjunction also. I hope you have understood the concept of conjunction, that what conjunctions are. They are linking words, they join 2 words or they join the 2 sentences. Okay.